Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DAL, Delta. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very bad day for Delta. I realize I state the obvious when I say that. It was a bad day for the markets, of course, and then airlines. But how bad was it? Well, it'll offer up some context, and then also this is going to be an important level going forward. But this level right here at 2075 had become a very historic, very important level. I mean, you can see it acted as support right there. Acted as support, acted as support. And then this morning, you can see that the price gapped down. And once it broke below that level, I mean, that was basically like the floodgates of bearish momentum opening up, and down it went from there. But I spend all that time going through that because there's also a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So on any sort of bigger bounce to the upside, 2075 is going to be that main and overall level of resistance, but more so in the near term. So I want to add in our next level of resistance here. And that near-term resistance would be right here at $19.90. You can see when you look closely, price tried to get above it there, failed. And then on this bounce that happened, mid-afternoon, once again failed right around $19.90. So watch that very closely moving forward. That'll be a key level from the resistance side of things. So again, $19.90 and then $20.75, those two key levels of resistance. And then from the support side of things, and to best illustrate this, I'm going to change to the daily time frame, because you can see from way back here on March 18th, the price went down there and hit a low of, let's see, what was that? Low of 1910. And what was today's low, out of curiosity? Today's low was at 1909. You just can't make this stuff up. So you can see right here that the price bounced to a penny right off these all-time lows. I'm not sure if these are all-time lows, but let me put it this way. The lowest this stock has seen in several years is right here. So in other words, you're going to have all sorts of people watching that $19 mark, myself included, wondering, is it going to hold? Because if it doesn't, it's not a guarantee of anything, but it's a very rational thought to have that if it doesn't hold up, that could certainly create that much more downside pressure. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. But yeah, 19, definitely a very important level of support. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.